Hi guys, welcome back. Today we will see a new command, align. This is a combination of move and rotate actually. You will see there is a figure over here. The desk is aligned with this wall. So I want to align this desk as shown in the figure over here. So I am going to use the command align, AL, that is the short key. Select the object. Okay, I am showing my first source point as this point. This will be the first source point which will be aligned to this point, and I am showing the second source point, this point. This will be aligned somewhere here on this wall. Okay, and it is asking for a third source point. I don't have a third source point. I am just aligning these 2 points on the wall. Okay, let me finish. It will ask whether it has to be scaled to the distance which is shown over here. In between this distance, whether this object has to be scaled or not. For me, it has this object should be in the same size. So I am giving it as no. See, the object is moved and rotated at the same time. It has aligned on this wall. Now, if I want to align adjust this picture, I just need to move a little bit over here. Okay, I think now it is clear. So this is the command align. I think you are well understood how it is used. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.